Hello, my name is James Pate and I'm with Scout Boats. Today I'm aboard the new 530 LXF at its world debut here at the Miami Boat Show. I'm going to show you a couple of things on this boat which make us proud that this is our new flagship of the Scout Boats brand. The beam of the 530 LXF is just over 14.5 feet with doors up. But one of the most innovative features of the 530 LXF are these beach platforms, and when completely open on the boat, it has a total beam of just under 18 feet. These doors we originally developed and were the first to market with this system on our 420 LXF, but we modified them slightly and incorporated them into the 530 and really make this boat special. When up, they're flush with the side of the hull and securely locked into the hull sides. Yes, this boat has 6 engines. It was a custom request from the purchaser of this boat, but it does have 6 of the new Mercury 400 engines. This boat with the 6-engine package hits speeds, top speeds right around 70 miles an hour. But the best thing about the Scout 530 LXF is that you have your choice of engine packages. You can go 4, 5, or 6 engines, and the boat still runs from 60 miles an hour to 70 miles an hour within each of those configurations. It's truly amazing running surface and one of the most innovative running bottoms on the market today. Here at the helm, we have a standard 24-inch Garmin screen that has full functions of all the systems on the boat. Switching controls, media controls, stereo, underwater light controls, camera controls. You can run the entire boat from this helm station. Not only do you have a 24-inch screen at the helm, you also have a 24-inch screen for the passenger on this boat as well. This screen can be used, it's a redundant screen to any other screen on the boat, but it also has great media functions so that you can play videos, watch TV, or use the screen for any function that you would like on the boat. Now you've seen the helm, let's go check out the cabin. Unlike any other boat in our class, this boat has yacht finishes. The interior was sourced from a company who all they do is build yacht interiors. The component parts and the details explain the rest. This boat has a forward bow berth as well as an aft berth, but a great feature is that you have plenty of privacy due to the pocket doors that are incorporated into the interior. These pocket doors just go just aft of the bathroom area, the shower and the head area, so that if you're in the front of the boat, you have full privacy. Just behind the pocket door, we have a nice port side bathroom, toilet, sink, then on the starboard side, shower. For the kids or any additional guests, there's plenty of room in the aft berth. That's just a few of the many features on this new 530 LXF. For more information, please visit scoutboats.com or visit MarineMax.com or stop by one of the many MarineMax locations nationwide.